Hello guys, welcome to Amenny Property TV channel. So in today's video, my mission is actually to show you a two-story property at Taman Tulip, Shah Alam. So this is a leasehold property but with a high ceiling, 4-room, 4-bathroom project. So this is a very unique project and it have a very big balcony that actually you can create an extra space for your family member or small garden at the first floor. So without further ado, let's follow me and I will show you this excited project. Let's go. If you like to see more of this type of property tour, don't forget to follow me, subscribe and leave a comment in the comment sections below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.